I don't know much.
Patch I am heavy.
Well, over patch your ass. Oh, my whole Brazil, patch your heart.
Patch me heavy. A dear me.
And now, second striker, the friend say. Second striker, no better careful. Senior one, we are chance victory. Yes,
I can't have yet been coming at each other.
Or you defended, you will be about all people. On Bobby, I'm a body to FIFA. We ask what people are going. Yeah,
Strike all the bomber. No, I say invite you to pass. Strike out. Our Yakofo Abaso, where you might be a man as a bishop goose mine. Then, dear ma, as some Nhyira who cry was a say what striker Jina Parker so. Na Yakofa a defender. So no mum name is going for mine. In Haimagoa.
Na mu players there, Michel Patrick Dogu, Timinya Bobby, no attending our German Banachi, na Zegzims. Hi, Manchester United. Well, and they on come over Brady today. Muna any come and so much as for Holty definitely yeah. Boys because you see me definitely so say Kakaraba throughout the 2 weeks in the farm almost so definitely we are back. It's and now say a Copa del Rey game.
To be honest, because of your game into mentally happy.
And only said
Arsenal then I'm here kakra.
Na omunyi and also on regular channels and comfort time share ball. Because me maybe I'm a question with ESPN Plus and another subscription is different. It's drama. First off, I didn't think Madrid consider Bebre sa Richard.
Sociedad, I consider 4 goals.
Yeah, it looks as if for every game Madrid be born on average of about 2 goals. I've not worked the numbers and I will with time. But I said match be Madrid be born or consider on average of 2 goals every game. And they're really worrying, to be very honest with you. Very, very worrying. But Nhyira, they had a job to do, one job. Say, what's your first goal or first leg in him? Who dominates? What about second game in him against Sociedad? It's about finishing the job. A rare game no more and check. And a Madrid called him. Now, then the space came in behind. Who is the centre back pair? Because now Carlo Ancelotti person resting the players, you know. Alaba Mune starting with Chodom. When Sociedad knew my first goal, I was asking myself, say, with the way I not Madrid for set up, how would they get an equalizer? Because at that point in time, no extra time and no extra. Then Venicius Jr drops into the deep area as a playmaker. Then play makes and set up an excellent ball into the path of our branch friend Hendrik. Rich, I think, say, Hendrik boy, you know. On the regular Brazilian in terms of the dribbling, the showboating, name and be derby. I think what Hendrik is made up of the finishing ability of a center forward. And when you're born anymore, the finishing here top one. That's exactly what he did on the night. Otimi ball the first goal in 2 minutes. The celebration they got the COVID. Odu anyone or Chepe goalkeeper. Then started dancing. Touch like I think that was a brilliant display for our branch friend Hendrik. But at this point in time, I kept on asking myself questions. About the same game, no, edgy free Madrid in Samsa. Then 2-1, then 3-1. It took Orient Chimenimo to make it 3-3 by the 80th minute going. Until say, Yedi game Eriko Kuvremu at extra time. After say Oyazabal half goal money 4 goals to 3. Then extra time, I brought your friend Rudiger, Emmanuel Bayer 4 Madrid 4, Edinya the qualification. I think what matters, after all the noise about Madrid conceding, they say, I said Madrid are calling him to the next of the competition. And I'm booking the first ticket to the Copa del Rey final. No, Ebekoso Spain, and then the next one is there. Atletico de Madrid in himself. The only chance they have at silverware and Nenbre. Because Champions League in Madrid have been your free. League, you know, Barca Civitas Wanda Metropolitan Honum. Now they are very far away from the league. Now they have to find a way, score in the Copa del Rey, beat Barcelona for and get a win. And now chance flicker. or see on a style of play, no be any so mobile ball, and they will do that. I know that Atletico de Madrid will look at just one thing: how to make sure say game no more they get the needed results. And then when I scan through Sport, Mundo, and all the outlets I was Spain, this is the possible lineup. And then may say Atletico for Edeko Mujano Black may not be imposed, so definitely a Muso. Jimenez, any Lenglen, about the back to Aspilicueta, any Ronaldo, everybody Chiorum, Loriente, Barrios, De Paul, Giuliano Simeone, up top Griezmann, and our branch friend Julian Alvarez. On the part of team my friend FC Barcelona, Pau Kubasi, after missing 2 games for Barcelona in the league, everybody back into the team with Inigo Martinez, Szczesny, Koundé, Balde, our children to make the back 4. Then Pedri, Frankie de Jong, also after missing the last one. Then Gavi will make it a midfield 3. Lamine Yamal, Robert Lewandowski will come in. Then our bench friend Rafinha. Who's the Rafinha some more? The last 2 games, Barca boy, free international break back against Osasuna one. And the last one over the weekend also, our bench your friend Rafinha and some Bobby Rich. What the number of goals that Robert Lewandowski shared this season? At age 36. For club and country 40, and then in the run up for the Pichichi and I say golden boots in the CCN. So Uyi Mohamed Salah free on Robert Lewandowski comes before Harry Kane, before Mbappe, Harry Kane, Victor Jokreshimo, and Debbie Abbas for they say he doesn't deliver, but this man is really delivering on senior Bono with my friend Barcelona, doing the most important thing, which is by scoring of goals. I think the match will be very tight, especially because Alexi for elbow in a compact 4-4-2 without the ball. And the patience of Barcelona beats more winning match, how they will pull Alexi for out of a block and use a lot of rotational movement and house space occupation to be able to open up Alexi for Alexi for any better papa. Because like I said, it is the only chance at silverware for them.
Barcelona will be them.
And at the chief this weekend, make catch will say Man City echo Bournemouth. Man City be Bournemouth wejuma. What they be through on them. But you see, especially in a game like this, I'm not predicting it too easy for me. Like we too relax and now obeshe. So it's too was kakra. I think it's a match of edge. And then so we invest and I say come out. Don't predict the game in regulation time. Like as an analyst, I'll tell you that. And
maybe I can bet you a stretch out question.
Yes, and Konko say, oh, no. You can go who to qualify, or maybe some double chance in regulation time. Yeah, the coach Nhyira Ubo said them come on. After the game, we'll talk about it. Rich. Nottingham Forest are qualified for the semi-final of the FA Cup. On the Man City never kushia. And now, as a Chelsea fan, Abrana Forest any Man City board, any Man United board. Monsieur Forest munye bibi maye. Man United nye bibi maye. Because so what table this is here. Forest said at third, 57 points. Chelsea said at fourth, 49 points. It means that there is a gap of about 8 points between the two teams and all of them. Then Arsenal are consolidating in second place now. Liverpool and then you and Everton bebo. And now Everton Nottingham Forest for the chain. They've been very successful this season. Physicality, going down the channels, a lot of direct play, and making sure say you hedge the team and as a opponent. So, and now I'm boy, Anthony Elanga, and a buyer Obama Kumamutu, very, very good goal from team friend in Nottingham Forest. Man United for the very first time dominating the whole game, but like Ruben Amorim making after the game, the final third quality and Molake and Emma Mentinya making the difference against team. Your friend Nottingham Forest. What a game for my branch friend Anthony Elanga. Look at that run. Maybe you're picking ball in free then the run 2-3 versus 1. Use the other player as a decoy and shot.
Mazarino also Johnny Acquired.
Say the opponent back when you say it's just as a center back, you focus else outside also.
Or there's a back beam. And play the video.
Yeah.
So at this point.
Yeah. Dogu.
Watch Dogu.
Yeah.
So player not talk from now.
Yeah.
That is Ganacho.
Yeah.
Time I Ganacho talk from now. So here. Now in Elanga fuse house or Lucy Boro.
Yeah.
Or they had here. Or there's a video in the it is Dogu in the yes and quarter ball. When to me.
Yeah.
No call the other side. Yeah. Anna a branch and yes or talk from a ball. Or those went to me.
Yeah.
Still Nana Mazari. Oh, call a man space.
Yeah.
Ono nya space ni ball
if the other center
brand so send be ya onya options bi
onya ball committing one pass the other player
one pass it
as o chire me I tell because the guy chire chimo
and me obetumi kwa the ball na chew but the moment ono no ba so ko achi na woman space and you see the moment abesa no onya time to think Oku achi na no thinking okay and you mebo ball na fa no the ball neighbor two defenders omu ko ma chi sa hwe na ma no ko ball ni chi
analysis ni jawa be ni na mresi
asemo Katia Collins
in here or what we cat taxi we catch us on the fast watch it on the fast police in only mama ready masa on your police
I could count like 4 players 4 players
minya mo na ka
didn't change and brand
minya 7 minutes more na chechi more
mini bibia ka
bi over shit
they too granny team na sorry no asati
for much is better now sorry you are the Leicester we Leicester we United 4,500 day Manchester United
elanga
why more
elanga is no nyade
but me see asemo me yesi meka rich e ka kitu bi enka Andy therefore we any Gabi Turam therefore we convince me say Alejandro Garnacho 60 million maybe you can be can be Garnacho hey it can be judgment Alejandro Garnacho kasa kamo be da
ne boarding
Alejandro Garnacho 4 million could be anto we
akofia out him
oh mas Alejandro Garnacho depending why we Chelsea team Garnacho 4 million kamunya free Alejandro Garnacho mi be jina na ndi nu ayi start bi na 2-4 dey dey be that
so ya na ujina so me fam home
na se Garnacho
bi enu ha mechanic
and then they want
odo oba crack as 500,000 fa min ka bi bia se ye ne dey ho aba no pedu anya ye bobo but onim say nya nra
yeah
na nu sa asrafo no mo fili bukaw sa kasa look anu branch ni ba mu no you could clearly see said the whole stadium as say omo ye relieve say look the guy is back.
Oh, it's not almost star man. Because they're star man, and once he came to score over there in a very difficult game. Almost star man, and no one by edge man. And matches baby and I pay match say reach on table. Can Chelsea qualify for Champions League?
Ochiramo boy Tottenham.
Yeah. After that, Brentford.
Tottenham something had it.
But when is a Nottingham Forest matches no. So of course, sir, Newcastle were one game outstanding. No.
Okay.
Man City Super Bowl just Leicester City. Leicester the header for Man City Beshana. And now the permittee Enzo Maresca pre-match press conference. Rich, Maresca knows Chelsea soon. This weekend, Chelsea for the more accounts for last year. I'm making huge profits. But profits don't make it. They only made a profit because my team, they are Blueco holding company, no. So they made profit. In fact, a unprecedented profit. Obianya sa profit maybe English Premier League and a Chelsea are Queen. But they know that they are running out of time and things to sell. So man qualifying for Champions League now. Very simple. Next season, the Chelsea bay of Champions League, you know, and so Timibo. And the games that are going to be in the month of April, Rich, Tottenham, Brentford, Ipswich, Fulham, Everton.
Games.
You see, Chelsea lose to Fulham, and our Bordeaux to Fulham. December Muhono. Everton to Chelsea Bordeaux. Teams on match Chelsea Brace at December Muhono. Fulham Everton can. Tottenham Hotspur is a derby. Chelsea should win. And me know we are going to extend say who person will qualify for Champions League. Then Tottenham Hotspur and Brighton, Brentford. You need to be able to beat them. And so we are able to me to beat Tottenham Hotspur and Brighton. The sad news and now Penzo Maresca catcher and say omoye training BBA. Everybody is back. Noni Madueke aba, Nicola Jackson aba, Cole Palmer aba, Wesley Fofana aba. I mean, we all thought say Romeo Lavia see fit and ready to go. I said Lavia progression correct, be fine. But the only issue kakra will Lavia home and they say Anra unya small knock kakra and we number says so bit ball. Tottenham Hotspur match in reach with all the players fit. as a Chelsea team, to be very honest. And Enzo Maresca now no Jitum said they will look at things like that. Medica say, so now just center back corner now. For Fofana, any Abrantia, your friend or Levi Cole. So I have two profiles. If they are playing together, the team is a little bit more stable. If you want me say, when you love your Kokika, Enzo Neka, I said, a more balanced side. Kopama Bano, we are hoping say, next story boots no Abba together with Nicolas Jackson. I don't know. Because as we deserve, hey, it's Chelsea pa Nicolas Jackson in Madrid in the star players though. But of course, okay. Boys Naba, yeah, say no you ometinya corner, ometima konya wins. Now Bournemouth Ipswich, I think the match goes about Brighton and Aston Villa. I mean, either of the teams to win and over 1.5. Man City, any Leicester City match, you know, a better match. I definitely, me are very, very sure. So Man City will get a win on them. The big one, the Liverpool versus Everton match in the Merseyside derby. Who's he going?
Liverpool.
Who's he going? Liverpool. Merseyside derby is Liverpool. Oh, Anfield, the Liverpool action. I'm sure. I'm going to say TBR. No. Boys, and then corner of him.
Eddie, Everton for the stubborn. But Liverpool, at the end of the day,
Liverpool best.
Okay, I can say. Me fan man never fa radio suma President Mahama.
President Mahama, he was catch him. I see the Roman cars on my year free horo.
So I catch President Mahama say, baby obia so de otu kwan a.
I'm saying the intel.
I'm finance minister and father and mero baby ono.
No sign it them. No, ni sika kem.
Obeso retwa
sika get ya. Scan over to us here.
Kakebu account no obeso retwa but or chase and president beside the nanka.
But it's tax ne ku boys. Me obi for me nchire wa na say unyi bi da. Over dey say kasa.
Enti His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So baby a obia so Ghana so sande ne ntem na. Boys so omo kakra bi wo so mpese. Omo do so oni Ghana so a I say my finance minister and father and mra ho. Ten sign ade ni take effect no munya kwan. Enyi yi musika ni.
Na boys the enya kakra ever top.
So if I could no etuja na fe ye nto adwumade ni so.
It's yo as usual yo biensa. Like I said this week now boys dia boys need it's ene sense the 3 area amount. First one 46 odds second one no. First one 1A 142822. Next one here 1A 143316. Last one 1A 143D70. 46 odds, 12 plus odds, any 7 odds, and all mine. Get him a T for it. And now also make a show. Now holiday